order to be successful in this cutthroat competition world, any company should be updated with the latest technology trends, and business intelligence form a greatest deal of it. Hello and welcome. My name is Archana and I am pursuing MBA Oil and Gas from UPES Dehradun, and today I will be telling you some of the benefits of business intelligence. And let us start with Splash Business Intelligence. So Splash BI is the self-service business intelligence software provider or solution provider which empowers ad hoc reporting. It doesn't require any kind of specific browser to browse upon or any kind of high intel software development skill. People from basic knowledge of computer understanding can develop their reports, use them in their daily day-to-day business routines and business activities, and can design their reports as per their wish. So the second part of video is how people analytics will help Mahindra and Mahindra to achieve its organizational goals or to excel. So before going further, let us try to understand what is this people analytics. See, people analytics is a systematic approach for guiding human capital decisions in order to achieve organizational goals, that is efficiency, effectiveness and impact, for achieving the targeted process at a specific intervention so that the company is achieving its goal regardless of the conventional methods which company was using. So it can be said as HR analytics or workforce analytics or talent analytics. So now let us try to understand what is this analytics. See, a company has a large pool of data, large pool of information, which itself the company's employees or the project management team will not be knowing. So using these high-end technology tools like data mining or using different algorithms like Tableau, etc., using which can extract data from the tables and analyze it and can feed it to the computers without the human inputs. So these all things can help an organization to work in a more efficient way, and in some kind of unforeseen events, it can predict itself that something bad is going to happen, or it can help us give us insight about better management like inventory management or better human resource management, so that we can go in a very smooth form towards the growth of any organization. Now let us understand analytics in a very simple language, that what happened, that is descriptive analysis, or why it happened, that is diagnostic analysis, or what will happen, predictive analysis, and how we should make it happen, prescriptive analysis. So these all tools can help us grow, any company grow in a better way rather than conventional techniques. So it promotes human capital value, and it can target strategic organizational problems. It can investigate long-term project or some discrete project which are going out of the line, and it requires a skill set of people which involve strategic decision making and strategic modeling and different statistical tools and different analytics tools, which we MBA students have very much in common and which we are well versed and which we have studied so far. So with this, I would like to wind up this video, and thank you for watching me, and I hope that I made a sense to the assignment. Take care.